All right, grade fives. So you've learned how to read and write numbers up to a million. Now you're going to work on comparing numbers to 10 million. When we compare numbers, we use the less than, greater than, and equal than sign. So we'll talk a little bit about those as well. Um, you will be copying this, so you could either pause and copy first, or you could listen and then pause and copy after, your choice. So, comparing numbers. When we compare numbers, we always try to find out which one is the larger of the two numbers. When we put in our greater than, less than sign, we always want the larger number being eaten by our little greater than, less than sign. So we've shown this one with a mouth on it, but otherwise it would just be that symbol. Okay, so when we compare numbers, what do we look for? Well, we always start with our largest place value position. So here we have a 1 in the millions place, and here we have a 1 in the millions place. So they're exactly the same. So that doesn't help us. So then we continue our way down to the next digit. So here we have a 6 and here we have a 9. Okay, that's great. That means those numbers are different. Those two are going to be the numbers that we compare to see which one is the number we want to look at. Just the 6, not the 2. Okay, so what is larger, 6 or 9? Well, 9 is the larger number, so that makes then this whole entire number the larger number. So we have our little alligator friend eating the larger number, which then tells us that 1,626,335 is less than 1,923,615. All right, let's try it one more time. Again, we're going to compare with our largest place value position. So we've got a 6 and a 6. Doesn't help us. Then we're going to work our way down. A 5 and a 5. Doesn't help us. A 4 and a 4. Doesn't help us. 8 and an 8. Doesn't help us. Finally, we notice a difference, a 7 and an 8. So those are going to be the digits that make the big difference for us. What is larger, 7 or 8? Well, 8 is larger, so our mouth eats the larger number. 6,548,767 is less than 6,584,800. So again, we always compare from the largest place value position. Once you get to the first one that is different, you stop. Then you compare that digit only. The larger digit then means that that whole number is larger. Again, if you haven't copied, press pause and copy now. All right, now it's your turn to do some practice. So again, we'll do this first one kind of together, and then you'll pause and do the rest. So again, I'm going to look at my first place value positions, 4 million and 5 million. Wow, isn't that nice? They're already different. So I'm going to compare those two. 4 and 5. Well, 5 is larger, which means this number is larger. So 4,532,842 is less than 5,532,312. All right, press pause, and with your group members, try 8 and 9, and then we'll do the other ones separately. So go ahead, press pause, do 8 and 9. All right, let's see how you did. So first off with number 8, so we're going to look at our first place value positions again. We've got 3 and 3, same. 7 and 7, same. 5 and 5, same. 0 and 0, same. 3 and 3, same. Oh, finally a different number, 8 and 9. So which of those is larger? The 9. Oh my gosh, they've all been larger on the right-hand side. That's crazy. So 3,750,383 is less than 3,750,393. And let's see how you did with number 9. All right, again, we're starting with our first place value position in the millions. 2 and 1. Boom, got it already. 2 and 1 are the two that we're going to compare. So let's take a look. What is larger, 2 or 1? 2 is larger. Oh, finally. We have our sign facing the other direction. How would we say this? We would say 2,544,879 is greater than 1,544,879. So you'll notice these two numbers are almost essentially the same, other than their first place value position, but that makes a big difference. All right, for numbers 10, 11, and 12, you're going to pause, do those independently, and then compare afterwards with your group members. Press pause and do 10, 11, and 12 now. All right, let's see how we did. 10. So to start off with, we have 6 and 6, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 5 and 7. So we can compare 5 and 7. What is larger? 7 is larger, so that means this number is larger. 6,235,441 is less than 6,237,391. Let's take a look at our next one. 8 and 8, 9 and 9, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 3, 8 and 8, 3 and 3. What? They're all the same. Well, in case you've forgotten, when they're all the same, we just use the equal sign. And last one, 7 and 7. Perfect. First one, nice and easy. Those are different. So let's compare 7 and 6. 6 is smaller, 7 is larger. That means this is our larger number. So our sign needs to be facing that way. 7,274,371 is greater than 6,274,371. All right, and now you are off to do your practice with the sheets that you are given. Away you go.